Ice cream! Oh, we got it. Ice cream?
Patrick, cake? Cake? Try cake?
Ice cream? Connor has no problem. Patrick, ice cream?
Oh my god.
Ice cream, it's so good, right? It's so good, I know. It's so good. Yeah, do you want it? You want it?
I've never seen that. That's really cute.
So he gets like so excited he doesn't know what to do with it. It's cold though. It's cold.
Connor, you want some cake?
Ooh. Ice cream, Mary Kate. This is called birthday cake. Patrick, come here. Come here. Patrick, do you want some birthday cake? All right, I'll give it to brother.